Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about protecting your skin, your lips, everything from the harmful rays of the sun. So today is going to be my getting ready for summer video. It is spring, the weather is warming up, so it is time to start thinking about protecting your skin. So if you guys would like to see kind of what combination and what products I use to protect my skin from the sun, then just keep watching. All right, so the items that I'm going to share with you today are in this little bag here. Some of them are new to me and some of them are products I've been using for a while now. The first thing I want to mention that people usually forget is protecting your lips from the sun. The rays, the harmful rays of the sun are what cause signs of aging in your skin and in your lips. So you don't want to forget to protect your lips when you go out in the sun, even if you're not having a day at the beach. Just putting this on under your lipstick or while you're getting ready really helps to add that extra layer of SPF protection to the lips. This is the Merrell lip conditioner with an SPF of 15. It looks just like a chapstick and it provides like a slight, I would say like a slight milky look to your lips, but it gives them the sun protection that they need. You can see that it just gave it like a slightly lighter color, kind of similar to what sunscreens do. They kind of lighten things, but I can wear this by itself and it's perfectly fine. So that's the first step that I would do. The second step is to protect my under eyes. As you probably know, the skin under your eyes is a lot thinner and a lot more delicate than the rest of your face. And I feel like a lot of people avoid putting sunscreen around the eyes because they don't want it to sting or burn. But this product from Doctor is specifically made for the eye area. This is the DDI Dermatologically Defining Eye Radiance Cream with an SPF of 30. And I've been using this for about a year now. Not only does it give you skincare benefits, but it protects your skin from the sun. And it's slightly tinted, which I like. So it hydrates, it brightens, and provides SPF protection for the eye area. So win-win-win, right? Next up is a product that's new to me. This is the Limitless Suncare. This is the Skin Restore Tinted Mattifying Face Sunscreen with an SPF of 30. So it's tinted and mattifying, so it's not going to give you that white look. It's not going to give you that greasy look. And I really like this brand. I use their Collagen Vitamin C Serum. I use their facial mist. I use a lot of their products. So let's check this one out. That's the shade right there. So that looks like it'll work just fine for me. And I don't know how much coverage I'm going to get with this. It just looks like maybe it's just like a tinted sunscreen. It feels very moussey. It gave me a level of evenness that I didn't have before, but it's not like a high coverage so it looks like you're wearing makeup. It just kind of evens everything out, mattifies things with still giving you a little bit of color, but not too much. This reminds me texture wise, Derma E had a scar protection SPF cream that was very mattifying and almost moussey feeling, but without the tint. This one has a tint to it, so I think I prefer this one. So far, this is what my skin looks like so far with just the under eye SPF and then the tinted mattifying sunscreen on my face. So you could definitely stop here, but I personally like a little more coverage, especially if I'm going out for the day, not just a day at the beach. So that's where products like this come in. This one is the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup Sunscreen with an SPF of 50. Or there's the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Cream with, I think, an SPF of 50. There's a lot of foundations and tinted moisturizers and BB creams and CC creams that have SPF in them. So I think if you really want to maximize your skin protection, layer up the SPF. You can use a moisturizer with SPF. You can use an SPF. You can use a foundation. And then you can even use tinted products to give you color like these, which have additional SPF. Now this one is the Neutrogena Protect and Tint Tinted Moisturizer with a broad spectrum SPF of 30, but I use the shade medium to deep as a bronzer. I think it's a beautiful shade for me, so I will use this on the perimeter, which is where I get the most sun anyway, and on my cheekbones for bronzer, but it also gives me additional SPF. Same with this product from IT Cosmetics. This is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Bronzer with an SPF of 50. So they make one specifically for bronzing while still having sun protection, which I think is fantastic. And then on top of that, so after you have applied your SPF, after you've applied your foundation with SPF, after you've applied your bronzer with SPF, you can go in with a product like this from Derma E, which is the Sun Protection Mineral Powder with an SPF of 30. And I know that Physicians Formula also makes like a compact with sun protection in it. Jane Iredale makes a pressed powder with SPF in it. But I like how handy this is if you're going to the beach or you're going somewhere and you want to add your SPF during the day, but you already have makeup on and you don't want to have to like undo it and start with the cream products all over again. This is a great thing to have in your purse. It has a brush on one side and the powder on the other side. You simply shake some out and dust it on, and you have an added layer of protection against the sun. So I kind of feel like these are the steps where you can add in SPF that you might not have thought about. So obviously with your moisturizer, you can get something like this from Neutrogena, which is a primer with sunscreen, or they make moisturizers with sunscreen. You can do a tinted sunscreen product like this. You can use a foundation with sunscreen like this. You can use some bronzing products with sunscreen like these, or you can add your SPF protection with a powder like this. And I know there are even some face sprays with SPF in them, so you could use them as a first step or as a last step. So there are so many ways you can protect your skin from the sun. This video is not sponsored. I just feel like so many people overlook protecting their skin, and this isn't something you should just do in the summer. I do this all year round with products like this and with my foundations. So definitely don't skimp on the SPF as you are going outside more in the warmer weather. I just wanted to share some products that I would recommend to you guys. Let me know what your favorite SPF products are down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this getting ready for summer video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.